Hey guys, what's going on? It is TCARP. Alright, I love knives. You guys know this. But there's some people out there that really don't care for knives. Knives are a tool for them. Hey, and that's great too. You know, not everybody likes to spend 50, 60, 70, 100, $200 on a knife like I do. My wife wishes that I didn't as well. But anyway, past that. Guys, there is a knife out there that that might be for you. It's a knife that might be perfect for those who really don't care about knives and just want to use them as tools. Guys, a company out there sent me this knife, and it's called a FLISSA knife, F-L-I-S-S-A. That's the company that sent this to me. This is a company of Amazon, and they sent me this bad boy right here, which, to be honest with you, when I first opened it, I was like, wow, okay, yeah, let's definitely take a look at this. What this is your good old-fashioned utility knife, okay? A lot of guys out there have been carrying these interchangeable bladed utility knives. And hey, good on them, because they're like, you know what, TCARP, I just can't, I like these, I can change them out, all that. Well, man, FLISSA is the thing. Not only do you have this utility knife, but watch this, guys. This is quick interchangeable. You push this comes out, but it comes with different blades. Not only just the utility blades, but this thing comes with your regular knife blades, your spear point. All you have to do with that is, again, just push this button. And look at that right there. You've actually got a knife. Let's, guys, stay with me. Let's look at this a little bit closer. Let's look at some tabletop with this. Alright, so let's take a closer look at this knife. This is a FLISSA, F-L-I-S-S-A, and this is their little utility knife. This is brand new. So let's look at some specs on this. Guys, this is G10 handles. Amazing little knife. Like G10 handles, just like any other regular EDC knife would be. And again, this is made to be an EDC knife. This is made to be a hunting knife if you want to use your utility blades for work around the house. But also, look at this. Easy gut hook for changing out that. I mean, just absolutely very, very, very utility and just user-friendly knife. So let me show you how this thing works. So again, G10 handles. Comes out, it's a liner lock design, just like any EDC blade. Very nice little spear point. And these little replacement blades, again, you just push this button right here, it lifts that up, and these come out. These are made out of 3 CR13 steel. So it's a stainless steel, it's mild, and it's not going to be, your S30Vs or VG10s or anything like that, but in a utility knife like this, you really don't need it to be. Again, this is a knife for guys who really don't care about knives. Lock on this, look at that. Absolutely straight up and down through that. No wiggle left or right. I mean, absolutely solid design. I mean, just, my goodness. I mean, this is a well-made knife. Liner locks, nice liner lock, very sturdy. I mean, my goodness, guys. Again, this is made in China. This has screws in it that you can actually screw. It's star screws, so it's not too terrible. And again, just absolutely very, very nice. So let's take a look here. So you've got this. Let's say you're gutting a deer. You're doing what you need to do out in the woods. You're skinning game, and you need to gut this deer. So you just go ahead and push this button. Take that out. Take this. And these go up at the very top. You just press this. Boom, you've got a gut hook. Oh, what if you need a utility blade? Comes with that. Comes with a ton of these. So let's go ahead, undo that. Utility blade, go ahead, push that up. Oh, now you got your utility blade. Just absolutely beautiful little knife. And just easy. You know, there's a lot of guys out there that need a knife, and they need a knife that they can beat the crap out of. One of my good friends, you know, he's like, you know, if this knife will last, you know, I'll do this or that, because I'm going to use it to cut sheetrock, pry things with, and all that stuff. And he's like, these knives just work the best for me, because I don't want to mess up a really nice blade. And these FLISSAs really look to be that right there. So the one thing too is you can also, again, change these blades. I'll just change this blade out here. And you could re-sharpen this if you had to. You can use your work sharp field sharpener, sharpen this right back up, and just be just fine. Again, it comes with these. These are absolutely razor sharp, as they should be. Don't know if you guys can see that or not, but yeah, that's just absolutely razor sharp. And just, like I said, phenomenal for it. So I'm very, very, very impressed with this so far. I'm going to wear this out a little bit, test it for a couple more weeks. But one thing I wanted to show you guys on, what do you think the price point is? Leave in the comments right now what you think this price point is. 3, 2, 1, $17. Under $20 you can get this knife. G10, very nice, all that stuff. Just absolutely phenomenal little deal that they've got going on. These FLISSAs, I'm very, very, very impressed. Like I said, I'm going to carry this for a little bit, but did you think, leave down in the comments below, did you think that this was going to be 20 bucks? Less than 20 bucks? And again, just a perfect little knife for guys who really don't care about knives. So I love this. This would be a great little gift for your husband, for a boyfriend or whatnot. Like any guy that actually uses his knife and doesn't really, you know, care about beating it up, this right here, he will be very impressed with this. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll leave the link down below, and I'll give you a 2-week test afterwards with this. But so far, the FLISSA's pretty dang awesome. So in short, these FLISSA knives, these little utility blades, one of the best little EDC options right now for, again, to get people into EDC, to get people into knives. Again, you don't have to be into knives, and this is the perfect one for you because very well made, good quality materials. Again, you're talking about blades that are not pot metal. They're actually made out of a reputable steel. Not anything like amazing, but it definitely is still very close to 440A. So, and that's again 3 CR13 steel. So you can easily resharpen these, whatnot, and you're not going to cry if you break one of these off. You're just not going to cry about it, and you're not going to cry if you beat the crap out of this knife. For under $20, hard to beat. Good little EDC knife, great little utility knife, great little hunting knife you could throw in your bag. You could throw these in it, and you'd be just fine. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. This is, please like, subscribe, all that stuff. If you want to get this, click the link down below. Get yours. All right, this is TCARP signing out.